Hey there, my name is Msangi Masera, and today I'll show you how to install Anaconda. So the ultimate aim is to have this view when you type in the conda command on your CMD. Okay, loading. Now it's done. As you can see, this shows that Anaconda is installed and it is ready to be used. So okay, if you don't get that, so what could be the reason? One reason is maybe installation. While you were installing, there's something wrong you did with the process of installing. And another probable issue could be when your system or your machine was installing Anaconda, not all the environment variables were auto added to the path, so you may need to add them manually. And okay, before that, okay, for it, let's start with the installation one at a time, guys, one at a time. So okay, for me, I downloaded my Anaconda to this location. As you can see, you run this installation. Just confirm if you did the right thing. Don't repeat it if you did the right thing. You'll extract, you'll click next. Now this option, if you chose all users, then that could be the problem, because for me, I'm installing for just me. This is the choice that will not have problems for you. I think Anaconda the folder Anaconda 3 has got something inside, so I'll use Anaconda 4 and click next. Now this is another thing you should check mark. If you didn't check mark this, please, you can reinstall while check marking that, and then you click install. I won't install another Anaconda because I already have Anaconda in my system. So now for those who did that during installation, let me create the setup. So what is your issue? Let's do this. The first thing, you need to know where Anaconda is installed in your system. Type the command where conda, and you'll see for me it's C users Francis Anaconda library bin blah blah blah. So based on the location where Anaconda is installed, so we need to add this location up to here and this one to environment variables. So just paste it here, and this one, paste the two so that you can have a clear view. So when now you need to, okay, let's go straight to how you add this path to the environment variable. Okay, again the command is where conda. You go to CMD. For those who don't know how to go to CMD, you can just do Windows R CMD on Windows or Command R on Mac, and then unless you just do CMD, you can search CMD and you'll get it. And then you type the command where conda, enter, and then you get this. So now the next thing is to add them to the system variables, that is environment variables. So system settings, that is advanced system settings. You can either go this way, then environment variables, come here, else to reach the same place, let's just use this. Is the command sysdm.cpl. Use that command and it will take you straight to the advanced environment variables. When you're here in system properties, just make sure you click to advanced. And for those who like procedural, just giving options to everyone. Control panel, then you go to, shouldn't be system and security, maybe system, yes, advanced system settings, and then you'll find it is here and advanced, the same place. Everything, whichever procedure you want to use, it will still take you here. So when you're here now, as you can see, go to user variables for Francis, because remember the installation was just me was just for me, so that's why you'll find them here. Then edit. When you edit, as you can see from mine, they were added. I don't need to add them again, but to show you how to do that process, you just like select this, click new, and then paste it there. Then the next one, new, then paste it. Okay, the other thing that you need to note is if you have Python installed, like Python 3.7 or 2, make sure that Anaconda goes on top of Python. You know, it's good to use Anaconda for coding like Python, because you know it will handle all your packages and their dependencies in a very good and efficient way. So highly recommend it. Okay, now I think when you are done, just do the test that we said. Conda, and then you'll get it. Let me just do it. Okay. Okay, Conda will give me the everything that I wanted. Okay, I just wanted to go to Python. Okay, so you can see the Python interpreter is in a Anaconda environment, but the environment has not been activated. Okay, exit, Conda, activate, boom, boom, boom. Let's activate Conda. Python again. Now Python is ready to run. Let's just test something here. For I in range 111, let's print I. Will it work? Oh. Print I. Indentation error. I am getting an indentation error. Anyway, let me just exit. Okay, yeah. Just go in again and do this. Let's say I is equals to 10, and then we print I. That is enough of a test for us for now. I think this interpreter, when I'm using the CMD, you're not able to ident as for the Python, but I think this is up and running and you can be able to proceed with that. And for that, I think I am done. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Wait, have you not yet? Have you not subscribed? I'm waiting for you to subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you.